liability means ability to repayment of loan. Liability means ability to repayment of loan. Unlimited means when business property are not sufficient for the payment of loan. समजून घ्या अनलिमिटेडचं मीनिंग if a business property are not sufficient for payment of loan, that time owners bring personal property in the business known as unlimited. But this type is limited liability partnership. Limited liability partnership है. In this partnership हम partners liability limited है. जे when partnership organization have less property and more loans, that time partners cannot bring any personal property in the partnership. Meaning समजून घ्या आधी. In this type, in this partnership organization, partners cannot bring any personal liability property for satisfying loan of the organization. जनरल मध्ये अलाउड आहे पण लिमिटेड मध्ये दे नॉट ब्रिंग एनी पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी. सो नेम आहे लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप. इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप अँड जस्ट अ कंपनी. पार्टनरशिप पण आहे काय जस्ट अ कंपनी आहे. बाय डेफिनेशन it is a corporate form organization. It is a corporate type of organization that provide a benefit of a limited liability and allow the partners the flexibility of organizing internal structure as per the mutual agreement between them. Limited liability का है is a corporate type and provide benefit of a limited liability and flexibility of internal structure. If company establish a government frame various laws for internal management, but partnership or not any internal laws, कुठलेही law नाही आहे इथं. So a limited liability आहे and flexible partnership. But more clear by the features, a membership, a legal status, a limited liability, or no requirement of a minimum capital, or no requirement of minimum capital. A membership in this partnership firm, a minimum 2 member, a maximum unlimited. Even any artificial person can become a member of partnership firm. Meaning सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होत आहे का बघा. Membership in this partnership minimum 2 members, maximum unlimited. In this partnership firm, a natural member as well as artificial person, a natural person as well as artificial person. The person created by law, this person also can become member of the limited liability partnership firm. Then a legal status. The legal status. This partnership firm registers as per special acts. The government frame special act, a limited liability a Partnership Act 2008, a government frames separate act for this partnership firm, limited liability, Partnership Act 2008. As per this act, this organization registered with the register of companies, and after registration, this organization get legal status, so separate from the members. Meaning क्लिअर होते का बघा, लिमिटेड लाइफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म have special act, limited liability partnership act 2008. As per this act, when established organization require license by the ROC, and after getting license, it's become artificial person in the court of law and separate legal entity from the members. A limited liability in this partnership firm, members liability is limited. They cannot bring any personal property for satisfying the or loan of organization. The next, no requirement of minimum capital. For the establishment of this organization, partners not require bring minimum capitals. Easy formation. Yes, it is established by the law, but formation very easy. Easily very a few procedures for the formation of limited liability partnership firm. In this partnership firm, partners get profit. So partners not required to pay tax on the profit to government because limited life partnership firm is artificial person. So this organization pay the corporate tax to the government. Point समजून घ्या, no tax on sharing profit. In this partnership firm, a profit divide into in this partnership firm profit divide into all partners. A partner not require pay tax to the government on the profit. Because profit is the income of the partners. So partner not required to pay a tax to the income tax government, not required to pay income tax to the central government, because a limited life partnership firm have a separate legal status and he liable to pay corporate tax to the government. काल आपण ओसीला असेल तर बघितलं असेल तुम्ही ओसी मध्ये, so partnership firm not required pay again tax or to the government. Point second clear होते का बघा, it's a combination of partnership firm and just a company. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कोणाप्रमाणे आहे, पार्टनरशिप प्रमाणे फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आहे आणि लायबिलिटी कोणाप्रमाणे आहे, जस्ट अ कंपनी प्रमाणे लायबिलिटी आहे. इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन आहे. मेंबरशिप मिनिमम टू मॅक्सिमम अनलिमिटेड. Natural person as well as artificial person can become member of the organization. A legal status. This organization registered under the Special Acts, Limited Liability Partnership 2008. For the registration, required to follow some procedures. Require submit document to ROC. After submitting documents, ROC issue incorporate certificate or to the limited liability partnership firm. After getting these certificates, partnership firm become a legal status. It's separate from the member. So liability is limited, not bring any personal property when a firm require the money, not requirement of minimum capital. Then easy formation, easily established, a less cost of formation, a double taxation नहीं है, so no share on the profits tax नहीं है. But next type है cooperative society. The next type is cooperative or society. The basic mean है cooperative, जे helping to each others, and society means organization. When people want to help each others by establishing organization. A point समझने का cooperative society or cooperation means helping each others and society means organization. When people want to help each others, when people want to help each others by establishing organization, this organization known as a cooperative society. मीनिंग क्लियर होता है क्या बघा. When people want to come together and help each other by establishing particular business organization known as a cooperative society. The simple मराठीत word आहे सहकारी संस्था. आपल्या खेडमध्ये जे काय पतसंस्था आहेत, जे क्रेडिट सोसायटीज, या सगळ्या मॅक्झिमली कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीज आहेत. एक्झाम्पल शिवचैतन्य सहकारी पतसंस्था, चिपळूण नागरी सहकारी पतसंस्था, क्या मुरली मनोहर पतसंस्था आहे. सो दीज आर कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीज आहेत. क्लियर सगळ्यांना होत आहे का. Cooperation means helping each others. By definition, by Karl Watts definition, a cooperative society is a form of organization wherein person voluntarily associate together as a human being on the basis of equality for the promotion of economic interests for themselves. But cooperative society is a form of organization, means a type of organization. In this organization, people voluntarily associate together. The people come together by mutually understanding or not forcing anybody to join them. They voluntarily join the organization as a human being. Basis of equality. Every person have equal weightage in the organization, and they promote economic interests of themselves. The people come together on the basis of equality and satisfying economic interests of them, known as a cooperative society. But second definition, a cooperative organization is a society which has its objective for the promotion of economic interests. Their object is काय, economic interest, जे earning profit असेल, satisfy need असेल of members in accordance with cooperative principles. This definition provided by the Indian Cooperative Society in 1912. It's a society which has its objective for the promotion of the economic interests of its member in accordance with a cooperative principle. But third, remember, a cooperative society is a voluntary association of persons. They started with the object of serving its members. This organization is voluntary associated and they want to helping each other. It is primarily designed for the promotion of economic interests of its member with cooperation principles. It is based on important philosophy known as each for all and all for each. प्रिन्सिपल आहेत ऑल फॉर इच आणि इच फॉर ऑल. इक्वॅलिटी प्रिन्सिपल आहे. वन मेंबर वन वोट्स प्रिन्सिपल आहे. कोऑपरेशन्स. दिस प्रिन्सिपल होती बेस्ट ऑर्गनायझेशन आहे. ऑल फॉर इच आणि इच फॉर ऑल. जे काय सहकारी संस्था आहेत खेडमधल्या त्यांचे जर बोर्ड बघितलात त्यांच्या बोर्डवर एक मराठीमध्ये सेंटेन्स लिहिलं असतं, एक श्लोक असतो, एकामेकास सहाय्य करू अवघे धरू सपंत. सो हेल्पिंग each others for getting the profits for the benefit of themselves, they helping each other or known as a cooperative society. एक्सप्लेन झालं का डेफिनेशन? एक्सप्लेन झालंय सगळ्यांना? अंडरस्टँड झालंय का? अंडरस्टँड झालंय सगळ्यांना?
येस सर.
ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बघूया आपण. फीचर्स. फर्स्ट फीचर आहे मेंबरशिप. इन दी कोऑपरेटिव सोसायटी minimum 10 member, maximum unlimited. In the cooperative society, minimum 10 member, maximum no limits, and the membership open to all. The membership open to all people. Everybody can become member of the society. Then act. The societies, cooperative society established as per the Maharashtra Cooperative States Cooperative Societies Act 1916. Every states have different acts. If nation have the one act, 912 Act apply to all societies, but also these societies also follow the state act. Every state separate act है. Maharashtra State Cooperative Societies Act 1960 Act है. And as per this act, are required to register organization. But third, a legal status. As per the Societies Act, every cooperative society must be registered with the Register of Cooperative Society. Must be registered with the Register of Cooperative Societies. So they follow after getting the registration, a society get legal status. In the court of law, a society are differ and members are differ. Society are differ and members are differ. And जेव्हा जेव्हा एखादी ऑर्गनायझेशन गेट लीगल स्टेटस आहे, द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आहे लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी. In the society, members liability is limited up to unpaid value of shares. They cannot bring any personal property when required the organization, because liability का है limited आहे, just only pay their share in society. They cannot bring any personal property when society not have sufficient money for the payment of loan, not required to bring any personal assets, because liability is limited liability है. Then capital. In the society have the capital more because every member brings some capital. Every member brings some capital. Then a transfer ability of share. In the cooperative society, not transfer their share to anybody. In the cooperative society, not transfer their shares member to anybody, not allowed. They want to quit from the organization, they surrender shares to society. Meaning सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होतं का बघा. If any members want left from the organization, they must surrender their shares to society. They cannot sell to anybody. So no transfer ability of shares. Meaning सगळ्यांना क्लिअर झालंय का. मेंबरशिप पॉइंट का आला सगळ्यांना.
Yes.
Okay. But distribution of profits in the society, a profit divided into member as a dividend. In this society, profit divide into member as a dividend. Meaning क्लिअर होतं का सगळ्यांना बघा. A distribution profit in this society, a profit divide into all member as a dividend. The rate of dividend is maximum 15%. The rate of dividend is maximum 15% per annum, and remaining profit are used by the organization for the discount purpose or charitable activities. The next point is service motive. Motive in the cooperative society, the main motive is provide service to all people. Provide service to members. खेडमध्ये आपला बाजार आहे ते प्रायव्हेटचा आहे, पण आपला बाजार म्हणजे मुकादम लँडमार्क बिल्डिंग जी आहे नवीन झालेली, त्या बिल्डिंग मध्ये आपला बाजार म्हणून आहे, आणि ते आपला बाजार जे आहे इट्स अ कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीज आहे. ते तिथला जर बोर्ड बघितला व्यवस्थित मग समजेल. इट्स अ काय कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटी आहे ती. तुमचा मोटिव्ह कसा आहे, प्रोव्हाइड सर्व्हिस टू मेंबर्स. देन 9th कंट्रोल पॉइंट आहे. The societies work control and supervision by the state government. Societies control and supervision by the state government. Government frames separate laws for the supervision of activities of the society. By secrecy, a society not maintain any secrecy. a society not maintain any secrecy because a cooperative society are required to publish various documents in the newspapers, submit to government authorities, publish to all members, so not maintain any secrecy. पॉइंट सगळं क्लिअर होते का बघा. The cooperative society does not maintain any secrecy. बस सोल ट्रेडिंग मध्ये सिक्रेसी आहे, फॅमिली मध्ये सिक्रेसी आहे, पार्टनरशिप फर्म मध्ये सिक्रेसी आहे, बट a cooperative society not maintain any secrecy. They want to publish document in the newspapers, so not maintain any secrecy in the cooperative society. A point सगळ्यांना क्लिअर झालंय.
Yes.
ओके. कोणाला काय डिफिकल्ट असेल डायरेक्ट चॅटिंग मध्ये टाकू शकता. सर मला पॉईंट समजला नाहीये, रिपीट एक्सप्लेन करा, मी तयार आहे करायला एक्सप्लेन करायला. The next organization is introduction of company. The introduction of just a company, a joint stock company. Unit test syllabus, a first lesson, second lesson SP ला. सेक्रेटरी अँड जस्ट कंपनी लेसन आपला सेकंड लेसन चालूच आहे त्याच्यात. ओसीला फक्त फर्स्ट लेसन आहे आपला. सर टाकतील की तुम्हाला टाकलंय त्यामध्ये सिलेबस मध्ये टाकला. द इंट्रोडक्शन जस्ट अ कंपनी. A joint means many people. A stock means a bunch of shares. A wording बघा, a just a company. A joint means many people come together and hold a bunch of capital, bunch of shares. And a company means established organization as per the law. Because a sole trading concern or joint Hindu family business and partnership firm faces some difficulty. But sole trading concern, a family business and partnership firm faces various difficulties, such as a limited capital, a limited managed resources because they own and managed by same person. बस सोल्डिंग कसं आहे, ओन मॅनेज कंट्रोल बाय सेम पर्सन आहे. फॅमिलीमध्ये काय आहे, दी फॅमिली बिझनेस ओन बाय दी फॅमिली मेंबर अँड मॅनेज बाय करता. पार्टनरशिप फर्म ओनर अँड मॅनेज सेमच आहे. सो दे हॅव लेस कॅपिटल because limitation on the membership. In the sole trader, only one member. In family or not new capital, they only use inherited capital आहे. पार्टनरशिप मध्ये मॅक्झिमम 50 मेंबर्स आहेत. तेव्हा लिमिटेड फायनान्स, limited managed resources because these owners they actually businessmen आहेत. The expert in doing business or not in management of business. So limited managed resources, a limited membership, and legal status. Because these organizations are not established under the particular laws, so they not get legal status. So member liability is unlimited. So member always fear about the losses. Members always fear about the losses. So they not take challenges of business. They not take challenges of business. So these organizations are facing some problem. Industry Regulation 1760 increase expectation of from business and for not satisfied by current organization. But industry regulation increase a demand from the business, increase the new requirement from the business regarding capital, regarding proper management, legal status, and this demand not satisfied by the current type of organization. Because solely concern partnership family business does not satisfy the needs of industrialization. And before industrialization, a production was the first take order from customer, and as per order make production. म्हणजे बिफोर मेकिंग प्रोडक्शन सेल ठरलेलं होतं आपलं. बट आफ्टर इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन organization make production first and then find the customers. So before a demand, you are making the production. So making production require capital. So this demand not satisfied by the solely concern, family business, or partnership. So require a new type of organization. And this type known as a joint stock company. Joint stock company. But the word company, the company word कसा आलाय बघा. The word company is derived from Latin word आहे. Actually combination of Latin word आहे. Come means with or together. Come means काय? With or together, and penis means bread. Come together bread, जे एकत्र जेवण करणं म्हणजे काय? कंपनी. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होते का बघा. It is originally referred or to association of person who take their meal together. एकत्र जेवायला बसणं म्हणजे काय? कंपनी. It's a Latin meaning आहे an association of person who took their meal or together known as company. इथं meal means profit आहे. पॉइंट सगळ्यांना क्लिअर होतंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By definitions, a company means a company incorporated under this act. The government frames separate act, company 13, 56 पण होतं. A company means a company incorporate under this act or under any previous company law. Company means organization. It is established under the Company Act, current Company 13 Act, or any previous company law. A section 2 subsection 20 provide definition. But next Webster dictionary definition बघा. A company or association consists of individuals. Consist of individuals organized to conduct business. organizer to conduct a business for gain and having a joint stock capital. Joint stock capital. The people come together, run the organization for the profits, and they a joint stock capital represent by shares. They provide capital to the company, and capital represent by shares owned individually by the member, owned individually by the members, and transferable without the consent of the group. The shares can transfer without permission of the group. सोसायटीमध्ये नाही आहे ते. So company means people come together for doing business and earning profits. They all people provide capital to company, and the capital divide into shares, and every member hold some bunch of shares म्हणजे स्टॉक करतोय, and shares can transferable without permission of the group. It's the company. Professor Hane provide one definition. Professor Hane provide one definition. A joint stock company is a voluntary association of individuals for profits. It's a voluntary organization for the profits, having its capital divided into transferable shares. Transferable shares, the ownership of which is the condition of the membership. For the becoming membership required to provide capital. But last, it is an organization, it is an incorporated association. Incorporation is established by particular step by step as per the law. An incorporated association which is artificial person created by law, having separate name, a separate